Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your networking skills with LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. Create a compelling LinkedIn profile that captures attention. Use a professional profile photo that reflects your industry. Craft a strong headline that clearly states your expertise. Write a concise summary that highlights your skills, achievements, and aspirations. Showcase your work experience in detail, focusing on relevant roles. Add your education history, including any certifications. Customize your LinkedIn URL for a cleaner and more professional look. Start connecting with colleagues, classmates, and industry professionals. Personalize your connection requests to make a lasting impression. Join relevant LinkedIn groups to engage in discussions and expand your network. Share valuable content related to your industry to showcase your knowledge. Comment thoughtfully on posts to increase visibility and engagement. Follow industry leaders and companies to stay informed and connect with key figures. Participate in networking events and webinars advertised on LinkedIn. Reach out for informational interviews with professionals in your desired field. Be consistent in your networking efforts, make time for it regularly. Regularly update your profile to reflect new skills and experiences. Use LinkedIn's search feature to find potential connections in your industry. Engage with your connections by liking and sharing their updates. Offer assistance or mentorship to others in your network when possible. Keep track of your connections and follow up on conversations. Build genuine relationships rather than focusing solely on transactions. Utilize LinkedIn's messaging feature to maintain communication with your network. Stay active on the platform to create a lasting presence. Monitor trends in your industry and adapt your networking approach accordingly. Reflect on your networking experiences to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can enhance your networking skills on LinkedIn effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.